Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you some CapCut tips on how to improve video quality. So first, import your video in CapCut and then just go to adjust and follow my steps here. So adjust the brightness into -5 and then the contrast into around 14 or 15 like this, and then set the saturations into 10 and go to sharpen and set it into 100, and next go to grabs and here at the white color add dots like this and add another one. Okay, until it goes like that, and then go back and here adjust the highlight into 10, and then last go to shadow and set it into -5. Click on the check icon and here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye. Oops.